Some of you guys really liked the last little VZ Scorpion blaster custom that I put together. So I thought I'd put together kind of a similar one, a little different. We're going to talk about that, and I'll show it to you. So this actually came from GELBOM. So GELBOM is a seller on Amazon that sells the GELFIGHT Vz61. They sell it in like 3 different colors. They also sell the Mac 10, and they also sell the Quasar DR12. All those have the same basic internal setup. Things are a little different as to how they perform otherwise. I find the Vz61 and the Mac 10 to be more consistent than the DR12, but the DR12 is still cool, and it definitely looks really cool. So anyway, what I did here is I modified that front end that I used on the previous Vz61. I shortened it because I wanted this to be more pistol style, and that's it, right? So I made that a bit shorter. I changed things up here by adding a rail and then a little riser for this optic. And then on the back, I deleted the stock and I put in a Picatinny rail so that you could go ahead, and there's some different stocks that you can add to a rail like that. And lastly, did the little charging handles, just did a little different design than I've done previously on those. And we got the grip on there. Went with a slightly longer metal inner barrel, so that actually goes all the way through the threads, which is how I like to do it, because then that metal inner barrel gives those threads more stability. And then, of course, you go with the tracer, go with this, fake suppressor like I did right here. Overall, very happy with it. Still consistently around that 185 FPS, which is typically where these should be. Opening up the gearbox on these is not near as easy as anyone else. Like the whole thing, you can't just access the spring and upgrade the spring. You got to open everything up. And I just prefer not to do that. But I really like how it turned out. I think it looks really cool. And I do think I'll end up giving this away in a future contest. So make sure you guys pay attention to those monthly giveaways. This will end up being part of the prize pack eventually. Usually, I give away about 3 blasters each month in that prize pack, and the value's anywhere from, $200 to $400, probably depending on what all is in there. So comments, questions, post them below. Check out GELBOM on Amazon. And of course, like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, and participate in those monthly giveaways. Thanks.